This is a used 2013 Ford F-150. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 5-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a sunroof, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a navigation system, an alarm system, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico 87507.